What if we put dinosaur, machine guns, lasers, cannons and high-tech blasters in one game and make a player survive in this world as long as possible? Yes, it will probably be unplayable mess, but let's do it. Why not? I'm gonna use Unreal Engine 4, so let me create a new project first. Third-person template will be useful for my purposes. Alright, now I need to create new level, and I'm gonna use this square as my landscape. Nice. And it's time to create a main character. But as Benjamin Franklin once said, only dumbasses need characters models. A true man will always use a cube. So I'll use a cube, because I'm not a dumbass. It's actually already a pretty good game and it's quite entertaining, but let's add a bit of challenge to the game, cause players like challenge. And saying challenge, I mean following cute dinosaur. Anyway, here is a dinosaur, and let's make him really big. Okay, maybe it's an overkill. Anyway, let's learn the dinosaur how to move. Oh gosh, this game becomes more and more entertaining. Looks dangerous, right? And would you guess what is even more dangerous? Correct. Let's put it right here. Perfect. Now with a bit of coding I will make it work. Guys, I can code, I swear. It's not bad for first try. Alright, I'm gonna take a break. God damn it. Alright, back to work. I've added little health bar and damage system, and also death screen. And now I wanna add another weapon for my dinosaur, cause the more weapons dinosaur has, the more cool he is. So here is a volcano. It's like volcano and cannon like... yeah. By the way, all of these beautiful particle systems are taken from Unreal Engine Marketplace. Did you think I made them by myself? I'm not a no-life nerd. Of course I am, but these are not mine. So I added a volcano and now dinosaur can do a big but it's still not as challenging as I want. And as my grandpa said, if it's not challenging, just add an asteroid. So I added a Meteor Rain. Alright, now it's time to implement. And guess I made it. But let me adjust some settings first. Alright, now we have a perfect. So it is a time to make everything looks beautiful. It looks even more challenging now, huh? I actually want to add some weather effects, which will affect players' visibility. But it's kinda hard, so I'll just make a firestorm spawns from time to time. It should be cool too. Yeah, I think I'll decrease amount of fire and smoke here. Now I really like how it looks, but I want to add one more thing. Towers, which will kinda appear from the ground, shoot and then disappear again. Wait a second, I'll show you. Kind of like that. So let's make them appear from time to time. But the thing is, I want to only let him appear in front of the player, so you will not face a situation when one of these shoot you from behind. Like, it's unfair, let's be honest. Alright, I guess all works as intended. So I fixed some bugs and also implemented this cool damage effect. And I also noticed that our cube is not even cool for such challenging game. I wanna make him real G. And if you wanna be a real G, you need a real gun. I also noticed that the portrait doesn't reflect the real appearance of the cube anymore. So let's change it as well. I also added score and cool camera lag effect. I guess we are almost done, but of course there is one more thing to make the game feel so much better, and I mean music. We need some really tough music. Alright, final test, here we come. So I guess that's it. Hope you enjoyed, cause I did. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to slap that subscribe button if you don't want to be eaten by me. And you could also follow me on Twitter if you want. And as always, see you next time.
Without further interruption, let's celebrate and suck some dick.